Good morning dear students, solid state again. In this video we are going to discuss about easy way to calculate packing efficiency or packing fraction in FCC, face centered cubic unit cell. Easy way to calculate packing efficiency in face centered cubic unit cell. We know the formula used to calculate packing efficiency or packing fraction. Total volume occupied by sphere in a unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. Total volume occupied by spheres in a unit cell by volume of the unit cell into 100. An example of face centered cubic unit cell, this one. The yellow color are spheres at the corners and the orange are face centered. We know there are 8 corners atom and 6 face atom in face centered cubic unit cell. Using Pythagoras theorem, first we are going to calculate the volume of the unit cell, then total volume of the unit cell, finally packing fraction. Now, the right angle triangle, what I select from is, say A, B, C. The line must pass through the face centered atom. First this line pass a semicircle, radius R. Then this is the center point of the face centered atom, a full sphere. Again one more R value, radius, one more R value, radius, final one R value. Right angle, the triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem we can calculate R. The distance between 2 points is small a, our edge landu. The distance between 2 points is small a, our edge landu. Using AB and PC we can calculate AC. Apply Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is equal to root of AB square plus BC square equal to, we know the values of AB and PC. AB is A square plus BC is A square. A square plus A square equal to 2A square. 2A square. Or AC equal to root 2 into A. This is our AC. We know AC consists of how many radius? 4 radius. So 4R equal to root 2 into A. R equal to root 2A divided by 4. Root 2A divided by 4. Using this R value, we can calculate volume of the sphere. Volume occupied by spheres in a unit cell. What is the formula to calculate volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute the value of r. You will get 4 by 3 pi. What is our r value? Root 2a by 4 the whole cube. That is equal to 4 by 3 pi into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 equal to 2 root 2 a cube divided by 4 into 4 into 4, 64. When you cancel, what are the cancellation you have here? 1 4 is 4, 16 4s are 64. 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. So what is the answer? Here you have root 2 pi a cube by 8 and 3s are 24. This is volume of the sphere. Now we are going to calculate the total volume of the sphere. Then finally packing fraction. Total volume of the volume occupied by the spheres in a unit cell. That total, this word implies total number of atom in FCC. 4 end volume, just now we have calculated root 2 pi a cube divided by 24. This is our numerator quantity. Come to denominator quantity. In packing fraction, what is our denominator quantity? Volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell. That is equal to, in cubic, all the edge length are equal, a into a, that is equal to a cube. That is volume of the unit cell. Shall we substitute this value in packing efficiency formula? Packing efficiency or packing fraction equal to, what is the formula here? Here also you can cancel 4 into root 2 pi a cube by 24 whole divided by a cube into 100, that is equal to 4 into root 2 pi a cube by 24. Bring this denominator a cube into numerator, it becomes 1 by a cube into 100. Which one get cancelled? A cube get cancelled. 1 4 is 4, 6 4s are 24. That is equal to, what is the remaining? Root 2 pi by 6 into 100. That is equal to 1.414 into 3.14 into 100 divided by 16. 6. Now we can cancel any one quantity. 1 6 is 6. How many 6 are 30? 5 6 are 30. Remaining 1 14. 2 6 are 12. Remaining 2 20. Then 3 6 are 18 and goes on. When you multiply all these quantity, you will get the final value as 74%. The cubic close packing is based on the face centered cubic. This is FCC. The cubic close packing is based on the face centered cubic unit cell, and this is the total volume occupied by the sphere in face centered cubic. We know in face centered cubic where the atoms are present, 8 corners, there are 8 atoms, and in each faces there are 6 faces. In each faces there is one face centered atom. So totally 6 face atom, 8 corners atom occupy 74% of volume. How to find out? The free space in face centered cubic. How to find out free space in face centered cubic? Free space in face centered cubic is 100 minus 74. 10, 6, 9 to 26% volume is not occupied by any sphere. In the case of simple cubic, the packing fraction is 52.33%, and in the case of body centered cubic, it is about 68%, and in face centered cubic, the packing fraction value is 74%. So, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.